Hello, my favorite people. So, I'm here with another video today. I get a lot of questions from my clients about this acid called Kojic Acid. So, a lot of them ask me, what exactly does it do? How safe is it to use it on my skin? How do I use it? So what I'm gonna do today is I'll talk about Kojic Acid. I will talk about if it is safe and who should use Kojic Acid and how to use it on your skin. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chike Kelly and I'm glad to have you here. Welcome. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and the notification button as well, the bell button on your right hand side, so that when I upload new videos you will not mix it. Okay? Thank you so much and I appreciate all your support. Mwah. So, let's talk about Kojic Acid. What is Kojic Acid? Most of the questions that I get from my client is, what is the effect of Kojic Acid on my skin? What does it do? How do I use it? Is it safe to use? I will probably say to you, yes, it's safe to use. I will explain how to use it a little bit more in this video. So the first thing is Kojic Acid. I call it a skin brightener, okay? And it's a byproduct that is derived from fermented rice and fungi like mushroom and from soy sauce. And what Kojic Acid does to your skin is it inhibits the production of melanin. Melanin is what gives your skin the color. So it more like slows the production of melanin, and this is one of the reasons why it lightens your skin, by inhibiting the production of melanin on your skin. Okay, now the next question is, who should use Kojic Acid? Who should use it? I probably recommend people that are suffering from long time hyperpigmentation, from acne, from pimples, sun damage, people suffering from skin discoloration, dark spots, and for someone that is looking for even skin tone, you can use Kojic Acid. Okay, now how do you use it? That is one of the most important questions that I get. How do I use it? And which of the Kojic Acid that is very more like that should I use? Should I use the serum? Should I use the soap? I'll probably tell you that the percentage that you should use is 1%. Okay, and if you want to use it, I will tell you that it's better to get prescribed one from a professional, or more like a dermatologist or a skincare specialist, because you don't want to use too much of it. If you use very high volume that is more than 1%, it's going to dry your skin out, and it can cause a lot of side effects like dermatitis. It can cause redness and skin irritation. So it's good to use prescribed one, so that the dermatologist or the skincare specialist will be able to give you the right amount and the duration of the time that you should use it. Okay, don't go buying all these ones that you see on the internet. Don't. don't do that, because they're more like high volume. I advise you to do that. Okay, so let me explain a little bit more of what Kojic acid is. Let me explain it a little bit more. Okay, Kojic acid helps to lighten skin discoloration. It also has some antioxidant protection that helps to fight free radical damage and signs of premature aging. Okay. Another thing I love about Kojic acid, I think I mentioned it earlier. I can't remember. It's excellent in fighting hyperpigmentation, aka dark spots. So if you've got dark spots on your skin, Kojic acid will really work wonders on your skin. But it has to be prescribed one. I keep mentioning and repeating that it has to be a prescribed one that is not more than 1%. Okay, so who should use Kojic acid? Who should use this ingredient? I keep mentioning it. Someone that has hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, but most especially people that want to avoid the use of hydroquinone, which is, I don't like hydroquinone, which because Kojic acid is more like it will not cause damage on your skin like hydroquinone will. So for people that are trying to avoid the use of hydroquinone on their skin, Kojic acid is the right ingredient for you if you're fighting dark spots or any hyperpigmentation. Okay, how do you use it? 1% prescribed by a specialist dermatologist, and you can use Kojic acid daily. It can be used daily, and while you're using it, please try and protect your skin from the sun. Wear your sunscreen. If you're gonna use it during the daytime, make sure you wear sunscreen. Protect your skin from the sun, especially when you're using Kojic acid. You need to protect your skin from the sun. Okay, now what shouldn't you use with Kojic acid? When you're using Kojic acid, please do not mix it up with too many other lightening agents or too many exfoliants, because it can cause irritation on your skin. So try to avoid using other lightening agents, except is the one that is prescribed together by a specialist to use together with Kojic acid. But you need to be very, very careful how you use it. Don't use it together with other lightening agents, except it's by prescription or other exfoliants. You can use it with glycolic acid, it will be good, but you have to be careful how you use it. Okay, for people with sensitive skin, I'll probably tell you, don't use it every day. Don't use Kojic acid every day. Rather, use it like 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, if you're suffering from sensitive skin, because if you're not very careful, and if you use it the wrong way, it can cause a lot of irritation on your skin. I forgot to mention this, people suffering from melasma as well, you can use Kojic acid. It works really well from people suffering from melasma. Melasma is another part of hyperpigmentation as well. Okay, so yeah, like I mentioned earlier, don't use it too many times, because it can cause your skin to dry, and it can cause you irritation on your skin and make your skin too sensitive. So don't use it with too many lightening agents or too many exfoliants. Try and use the prescribed one, and try and follow the prescription that was that's given to you. Don't go buying Kojic acid from the ones they sell on the internet, because it may not be the original, and use it and it will get your skin burnt. Okay, every skin type can use it, every skin tone can use it, especially darker skin tone. Darker skin tone, as you know, I say that so many times in my video. Darker skin tone will suffer from very, very constant fighting hyperpigmentation on our skin. So Kojic acid will really help you, especially if you have darker skin tone and you have hyperpigmentation on your skin. Kojic Acid will really help you to sort that out. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that when I upload new videos you will not miss it. Okay, my beautiful people, thank you so much, and I appreciate all your support. Take care of yourself and see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.